In this video we are going to talk about the best low-light dashcam in this year, which is Vantrue N1 Pro Mini Dashcam. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. FHD 1080p Mini Dash Camera with Super Night Vision with mini and compact design. The dashcam takes up tiny space in your car, which won't obstruct your vision while driving. Recording HD 30 frames per second video with advanced Sony sensor, 160 degrees wide-angle f1.86 layers glass lens clearly capture the license plates as well as road signs during the day and night. Perfect mini dash camera for cars, truck, SUV, provides the most important evidence for car accidents. 4H parking monitor and collision detection with built-in battery. This dash cam can be triggered by collision detection without hardwiring. It will auto-power on and end recording after 20 seconds once it detects collision or impact on parking. The dash camera can also be triggered by motion detection with dashcam hardwired. It will run in standby mode and awaken to record once detects movement. The low battery protection of Vantrue hardwire kit. Seamless loop recording and G-sensor. When the storage limit is reached on the memory card, new recordings will automatically overwrite oldest recordings. Triggered by G-sensor, it can automatically detect a sudden shake/collision and lock the footage to prevent the video from being overwrote even in loop recording. Supports up to 256GB micro SD cards. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.